In today's video, I'm going to teach you, is Progressive car insurance still worth it amid rising rates? Start by opening the guide on this topic. We'll begin with what Progressive does well. A key strength is the breadth of its coverage options. You'll see liability, collision, comprehensive, and even mechanical breakdown listed. Quick refresher. Liability covers injuries and damage you cause to others. Collision helps repair your car after a crash. Comprehensive covers non-collision events like theft, weather, or vandalism, and mechanical breakdown can help with certain major component failures. The takeaway here is flexibility. Whether you drive a newer car that needs broader protection or an older vehicle where you want to keep premiums lean, Progressive gives you levers to tune your policy to your situation. Next, move into the challenges section, which explains why worth it can be conditional right now. Rates are rising across the industry, not just at Progressive. Higher repair costs, pricier vehicles loaded with technology, and more frequent or severe claims all push premiums up. This context matters because a rate increase doesn't automatically mean your insurer is underperforming. It may reflect broader market pressures. Still, you should use renewals as a cue to reassess value. Now to the verdict. Progressive can absolutely be worth it in the right circumstances. If the quote you receive is competitive for your profile, meaning the price is better than or similar to other major carriers for the same coverage levels, that's a positive signal. Double check that limits and deductibles match across quotes, so you're comparing like for like. Consistent coverage is the only way to know whether the price truly stacks up. On the other hand, be cautious if your renewal jumps significantly, say 10% or more, without a clear reason. Valid reasons could include a recent claim, a change in your driving record, or a different vehicle on the policy. If none of those apply, it's smart to question the increase and shop around. A meaningful, unexplained jump is your cue to test the market. To wrap up with practical steps, get a fresh quote from Progressive and 2 or 3 competitors using the same liability limits, deductibles, and optional coverages. That apples to apples approach is essential for a fair comparison. Keep your current declarations page handy so you can mirror coverages exactly. With those quotes side by side, you'll have a clear, data-driven answer to whether Progressive remains the best fit for you today.